First thing that I don't like about this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be testing out the cheapest foam gun that I could find that had Prime on Amazon, and I'll link everything down below. Also, we're going to be testing these two different soaps. So let's start off with this one. This one is called Black Magic with a high foam formula, and this was at Walmart. This was about $4.97, so let's say $5. And this was also at Walmart. This is the Meguiar's Gold Class, and it actually says on here, great for snow foam cannon. So, and this was like 15 bucks. And as you guys can tell, that I've already used this, but this is my first time using them in a foam cannon. And I just want to see the difference, if there is any difference between a $5 product and a $15 product. All right, and let's look at this box right here. As you can tell, pretty cheap box, obviously. And there's literally no label on here, but at least it came with some different tips right here. Alright, here's the bottle. Here's that. And they didn't come with any tips. What the heck? There's literally nothing in there. Alright, well, I guess this is on the box, but not in here, but can't complain. I paid like less than 15 bucks for this, so yeah, I'm not too mad. I only paid like $15 for this or whatever. You guys can see the price down below, but you can see I just put this up right here, and I should just be able to put this in here. All right, and she's ready to go. And this is going to be the car that we're washing today. It's a 2017 Jeep JK. It's actually my brother's. And let's take a closer look. As you guys can see, it's not too dirty, just some light dust on there. Obviously it's gonna be dirty in the wheel wells right here, and the wheels are a little bit dirty. Let's go back here. So just super light dust on everything, especially this back tire that just sits out here. But overall, not too bad. All right, so there's two choppers like flying out at the same time, whatever. But what can we do to get this Jeep dirty? Oh my gosh, it's so windy up here. You could just tell by this tree right here, but here we are, you guys. Look at how beautiful it looks out right now. And we got the Jeep right here, and it's getting a little bit dusty coming in here. So we're gonna go around and just explore this little area right here. I don't think it does it justice how steep this hill is right here. Oh, sorry for the sunlight being in your guys' eyes right now. Oh, come on, come on. All right. Oh, all right, gotta stop messing around. Damn, someone parked their Urus back here, man. Got a cop, someone picked this up right here. All right, despite all my efforts of trying to get this dirty, it didn't really get that much dirty. Let me show you guys. All right, so the back got the dirtiest part, and you could see how brown this tire is, and we got some light dust right there. But overall, there was really no point of me going through there because just look, it still looks clean. So that was kind of a fail, but hey, at least it's a little bit dirtier, especially the tires right here. So, and we got the diesel. But let me go ahead and start washing this car right now. So now it's time to start washing the car, and I'm gonna wash the wheels first. And I'm only gonna show you guys one wheel because first, I'm not trying to waste you guys' time. And also, it's gonna be the same process for each wheel. Alright, so I just put the Black Magic in here, the one that was like $4.97, under $5, and let's see how much foam it throws. Alright, so I would say that was pretty good for being around $5. Now let's see Meguiar's. It's a $10 difference, so let's see how well that one performs. Alright, and I just put the Meguiar's in this one, and let's see how well this one does. Alright, so would you guys buy the $5 one, the Black Magic from Walmart, or the $15 Meguiar's? And comment down below which one your answer is. And here's the final product. So I'm in no way, shape, or form a professional detailer, and this to me is pretty clean and just clean enough for your average enthusiast. I think the foam gun did a pretty good job, but there's some stuff I have to show you guys about it. Alright, so I'm doing this squat, but so let me show you guys what I don't like about it. And the first thing that I don't like about this is how small this is. So when I was trying to pour in soap, a little bit would spill, but not too much. That's one annoying thing. And one thing that was also annoying was, as you guys can see, there's a little bit of soap still left in here. That was the other annoying thing, but other than that, do I think this is worth the money? I think so. I think it did, you know, a good enough job. So if you guys like this product right here, I'm gonna link it down below, as well as the soaps, the Black Magic from Walmart and the Meguiar's. Alright, so in the soap department, it's gonna be up for grabs, honestly, because the $10 difference, I don't know, you do get more soap, but if you want to go on the cheaper side, I don't think there's, or less expensive side, there's nothing wrong with that. Personally, I would buy the $5 one, but also the Meguiar's is worth it, the $15, because I noticed that it has like some sort of wax or whatever, and when I start wiping down the car, the paint doesn't feel really dry, even though I put wax after. So it just depends on your budget, honestly. Alright, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I might do more Amazon products, maybe, I don't know, who knows. Comment down below if you guys want to see me do more of this. But yeah, nothing over like $100, or even 50 for that point. So anything 50 and under, I'll review. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, good morning, good night, good afternoon, whenever you guys are watching this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.